Hello my YouTube friends, good morning. It's my first day here. We have a long day ahead of us, so don't forget to subscribe and like my video, guys. My camera is fully charged. I am charging my phone at the moment with my power bank. This is the room that I'm staying at. I got AC right here, and my restroom is over there. All my luggage is here. I don't really have that much space. This house is really old, guys. It's like 100 years old. Looks like I'm ready. Let's do it. So let me show you around the house real quick. That's my mom's parents. That is my mom. She's the eldest. And these are all her siblings. This is the living room. Right here on the left. Let's open this up right here. This is the garden. More of my grandpa right there. And here's some really old photos. Some super old school photos right here. From like the 80s, 2000s. My grandpa and my grandma. This home here is actually much bigger than an average Filipino home. Good morning. Bless. This is my uncle. He has Down syndrome. Yeah. Say hi. Hello.
Hello.
Kumusta?
Which
Say hello, Steve.
Steve.
High five. What do we have? Pandesal bread, egg, and corned beef. Authentic Filipino corned beef with pandesal. Alright, y'all. I just finished eating breakfast. Corned beef, pandesal bread, and egg. That's a typical Filipino breakfast. It's a beautiful day today. I thought it was gonna rain all week, but it's actually pretty sunny today, guys. So I'm really excited. I'm glad it's not raining. Thank goodness, man. That would have sucked if this whole trip it was raining. So hopefully it doesn't rain as much. But yeah, this is the back part of the house. It's really old, guys. This is the backyard pretty much. Yeah, the ladies that work here, they do our laundry. And they do it manually with their hands and a big bucket. That's my dog right there. That's his little hut. Actually, he's a fortunate dog because not a lot of dogs have a house like this, guys. I'm telling you. A lot of dogs in the Philippines, a lot of them are stray dogs. We have like a big ass warehouse in the back. Yeah, it's really old, guys. Really old. Alright, y'all, we out here. We out here in the street. Hey, what's up, Ryan?
Okay.
Musta na?
Okay lang.
Okay lang. So they're enjoying some ice cream. How's the ice cream? Good?
Good.
Is there taho?
No.
No taho?
May tao.
When is it? In the morning?
In the morning, rubing lang siya.
Cookies and cream? Cookies and cream and mango. Fresh Filipino ice cream right on the block.
You could go, let's go off-roading with this, man. Tara, Tacloban. Ay, baga Tacloban.
This is gonna be a brand new house. Hey, how much was this house?
I don't even know.
50K? It's gonna be like a little vacation home because the other house that I was in, it was kind of old and it's not renovated.
Yeah, look.
So my brother's building a house over here.
You can see our old ancestral house.
Hello. Yeah, these guys are the construction guys. They're building this place from the ground up, as you can see. Hello. They already got approved to build. And I don't know how long this is going to take. Hey, how long is this project going to take?
6 to 7 months approximate. That's how it's going to look like.
Republic of the Philippines, province of Leyte. Yeah, man.
Kung pakita,
We used to be Kuan neighbor in Cavite
Palo.
West. Yeah.
Paglakap namin, kung pala yun.
I was only 6, yeah. Bata pa ako.
May pakita pagkaabot.
Kita, di man magwaray.
Kaya mo nga yung...
Yeah, so Ryan's gonna show us his place. This is how the Filipinos live. Man, it is hot, y'all. It is hot. It's very humid here. I'm sweating.
Papaya tree.
All natural and organic.
Guava tree. On top of you is mango tree. Right there.
This one?
Yeah, that one. This is their lettuce. And it just grows like
That's their lettuce?
free, yeah.
So you just take it off and you wash it and then
wash
you...
it, you eat it.
This is Ryan's house, y'all. He's gonna show us the crib and how he lives.
Hey,
Oh, look at this puppy.
come on, man.
Look at that puppy. He's just sleeping or chilling. Hello, hello.
This is Ryan's house.
Hello.
Tagbog to Steven.
Hello,
His
musta?
wife, Ryan's wife, around you, dude. It's all
Yeah, look
organic
at
in
this.
nature.
Yeah, there's a chicken right there. Look.
Chicken, live chicken. There you go. Let's look.
You live here, 4 of you?
7.
Oh, 7 in here. All these are your kids, Ryan?
We're in school right now. Yan na ito,
Five
yan na ito.
kids.
Oh, 5 kids.
Ano nga?
1, 2, 3, 4. And then, duha ka mo.
Ade man, itakkuan. Tag-bodyguard.
Kain ka.
She's in the market.
Oh, kantuwat store?
Vlog pa. Ano. Oh.
This is how Filipinos live, y'all.
Yeah, from the start. Government help, nothing.
When you live in close body of water like this, there's a lot of mosquitoes, right? There's a lot of mosquitoes, and mosquitoes carry a lot of dengue, a lot of malaria, and they carry a lot of disease. Malaria and dengue is very low here, but it's very low, and I don't know how they control it. Let me ask Ryan. Ryan? Hey, Ryan. How do you control mga mosquitoes dinhi? How do you control the mosquitoes?
Sa kwan la, katul.
Ano katul?
Kwan, katul. Layong katul.
Pero na.
This is how they control mosquitoes.
Smoke.
Yeah.
Help. Kwan,
Eh,
smoking.
they're cooking rice right now. It's Filipino style, y'all. No rice cooker, just pot of rice and natural heat. Thank you for showing us. Salamat. Thank you for showing us your house.
They just had a typhoon only.
So in their backyard, they have everything. They have pineapple tree. They have mango tree. Ano pa? What else? Papaya tree. Yeah, as you guys can see, they live a really humble life here. You speak English? Or a little bit? Konti lang.
Kunti lang.
But you understand?
Yeah. But my brother is in New Carolina.
Your father?
My father is dead. My
Dead.
mother is going there,
Uh-huh.
up there, in New Carolina.
North Carolina? Oh, your mother? Yan na.
And here, Pilipinas.
But nakadto.
Oh, ngatungan nila.
Hello, madam.
Bugto ka ni Andrew.
Oh, I'm the brother of this guy.
Kuan potok.
Ay, rekin mapilang.
BK
You know how
West.
to speak
Waray?
Waray?
Konti lang, konti lang.
konti lang. Ay, that's good.
Hello again.
Andrew!
Salamat, salamat.
Ana, sige, ganyan kami.
Kumpirta ka mo. Kaya ano tayo mabusag ni ikaw?
Musta na, Joseph? Hey!